Hello guys and welcome to Top Foreign channel. As a beginner, you can now make passive income using this new income stream because it is super simple and you can do it too, just set up in the right way, and you can earn right away without having to do anything else. This video shows you how you can earn a lot of money by implementing this income stream. Almost anyone can do it now. There are no requirements for you to make videos, you do not need any social media following, and you actually do not need any social media profiles now like almost all of the methods I post on this channel. This method is 100% free. You don't have to pay anything or to deposit anything. Furthermore, this method works worldwide, so no VPN setup is required. In this video, I will give you a complete step-by-step tutorial on how you guys can set up this awesome income stream and all that because this method works no matter where you are from. So be sure to watch every second of this video because there are a lot of drops and secret tips you don't want to miss. Let us return to the video and let you learn some tips and tricks you can use today to possibly double or even triple your online income. As for the website we'll be using today, it's called Proof. If you don't already know what Proof is, it's an online server that you can use to boost the conversion rate of your website. You know how important it is to get customers to stay on a website if you have ever owned one or maintained one. You might think that you would need a website to make this passive income stream work, so having your website boosted to increase your conversions would be really great for your website. Now wait, you might think that you will need a website to make this passive income stream work, but you won't. In fact, we won't even be using this website service, so you won't have to pay anything in advance. As I mentioned previously, this method is 100% free. That is great for beginners because this method does not require any experience for it to work. Now I'm going to show you guys how you can earn from this website in 3 easy steps. Now I recommend that you follow along every step together with the video. You can simply watch the part of the video, pause the video, and then go do what the video just did. Once you are done doing the step, you can continue the video. In order to generate passive income from this website, you need to register an account first. However, we're not going to create a normal account. If you register a normal account, you will not be able to earn any money from this website. You will be required to register for a partner program account in order to earn income from this website. To do that, you should first visit the Proof homepage and then scroll down to the bottom. This partner program is how we will make money from the website. So go to Partners under the company. You will see that you can earn up to 30% of every sale made on this website with this partner program. In addition to the fact that 30% is a huge commission, most websites only offer 5 to 10% commissions. That's why I would recommend this website's partnership program. Certainly, 30% is an amount that is much more than 30%, and that would mean that you would earn much more money. For example, if a customer spends like $100, you will earn a commission of $30. Another great thing about this partner program is that commissions last for life, so you can earn money from this site for as long as you like. Please click the Join Now button here to register. Here, we'll ask you for some information like your name, email address, and some other basic stuff. So stop watching and fill in the information and come back when you're done. Once you've filled in the information, click on the Get Started button and check the box under the Terms and Conditions. Congratulations! Your account has been successfully registered. Now you can proceed to the next step. It is now time to get your own unique referral link. To get that unique referral link, and the only thing you need to do is log into your own dashboard with your contact you just made in order to access your dashboard. Once you have opened the dashboard, you can simply scroll down and see that I have received my unique referral link. Logging into your account will take you to your dashboard. This link is the most important component of setting up this whole thing, so make sure that you copy all the parts of it. In all honesty, you might be wondering why we need this link now. My belief is that the link is the most important part of the system because it tells the website that the customer used the service, so you receive the commission, not anyone else. Having your own unique referral link, you can now promote that link. You can do this in several ways. You can send it via email to people, you can post it on social media, or you can even make a video with a link in the description box on YouTube. All of these are great ways that you can share your link, but I have a way that could increase your chances of people clicking on your link. So please stay tuned until the end of this video to learn how once you share the link, you can move on to step number 3, which is to get rewarded. You will receive a 30% commission on any sales you make. Your earnings will be accounted for at the end of the month, and then you will be able to withdraw them via PayPal or Stripe. The website also offers other payment methods, so if you don't have PayPal or Stripe accounts, don't worry. In fact, you might find another payment method that you would like to try or one that would suit you better than the one you have now. Let me know in the comments below what your preferred payment method is. I'm going to share with you a method or tip that will help you increase your chances of people using your link. Before we continue, I want to let you know that we're going to post more videos about making money online on this channel. My goal with this channel is to teach you how to generate an income stream through your PayPal account. I have put a lot of effort into making each video as good as possible. It is possible to find all of these methods in action, so please subscribe, hit the notification button, and leave a comment down below if you like the video. Now let's get back to the video. You're going to first go to Google, and then you're going to search for things like online cinematography courses or online coding courses. The current strategy is to find website owners who offer online courses. We want to target these owners in particular because we know they are people who want to get a lot of conversions for their website. If they see a service that can help them increase their conversions, most likely they will take advantage of the 14-day free trial. The website owner will continue to use the service even after the free trial expires, and you will earn 30% commission on whatever payment plan they choose. In the same way, you will search for online courses on Google, such as online cinematography courses, online cooking courses, online fitness courses, or any other online courses. The example I will use here is online cinematography courses, and on the search results page you should scroll down to the bottom to find them. You don't want to look at the first 2 pages of search results because they are mostly filled with large company websites. By clicking on the free search, you can view a 3rd page of search results. In this case, the small businesses will not need their proof services because they already have large conversions, so you should look for those whose websites need to increase conversion rates. You can find these types of websites on the 3rd search results page and on the following search results pages, so pick one of those websites you would like to promote through your link. If you are interested in promoting a website, open it up and scroll down to the very bottom. Most websites provide contact information at the bottom of their website, so if you scroll down to the bottom, you will find it. You should be able to find their contact information for this website. You can see that there is a contact option under the Learn More section. If I click on that, it will take me to this page where I can contact the owners of this website. Here I can send them a message to promote proof and then leave my referral link. In case the website you choose does not have any mail or contact option, you will most likely find their social media accounts somewhere on their website so they can use it immediately. All you have to do now is put in the hard work and watch as your PayPal account gets filled in no time. You can send a message with the same content as a message I sent earlier to these accounts. Before we leave, make sure you subscribe to the channel and click the notification button so that you'll be notified of new content on this channel. Also, please hit that like button and leave a comment down below so you can be kept in the loop. I'll see you guys in the next video. Peace.